So I was sitting here testing the Wooden Wick Co. 2.5 ounce votive candle, and it's burning, nicely. Maybe burning a tad too fast, but I've never had this happen. As you can see, the chrome or rose gold or whatever it is literally coming off of the jar, and I actually heard a crack. So it's a good thing that I'm sitting here monitoring this rather than placing it into one of my rooms to see how it burned, because if this thing burst on me and I'm not around, that could be a fire hazard. I'm hoping that this is just one of the jars that's having this issue, but I'm definitely going to be testing more before I decide to put these on my site, because we don't need these problems. I don't want to send this out to customers and they're having a bath and have these little votives, in their bathroom, and then all of a sudden this happens. Like, that's unacceptable. So let me test a few more, and I will be coming on with a full video to let you guys know how that went, because yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Let me see. The jar is really, really hot too. Like, that's literally falling off. So again, guys, be careful. That's why I stress the importance of testing, because you never know what could happen. Like I said, I hope that this is just a lemon, and this doesn't happen with the remainder of the jars that I purchased, because I purchased quite a few. So I'm going to, first of all, take down my wick size to see if that works. I'm gonna try a cotton wick to see if that works better. And then yeah, we'll go from there, but I will definitely keep you posted. I can smell it. It smells good. Actually, for a smaller candle, the scent throw is pretty nice. So we'll talk about this in the next full video. See you soon.